Hi, I'm Esther. Today I will guide you through a nice but challenging Pilates flow workout. It is a great way to wind down after a long day and relax by the end of the day. So let's begin in standing at the end of your mat facing towards the short edge. Keep your feet hip wide apart, your toes are pointing forward. Soften your knees. Open up your hips on the front, gently tilt your pelvis underneath. Widen the collarbones, relax your shoulders, backwards and downwards. Engage your core and lengthen your spine all the way up. Gently nodding your chin, lengthening the back of your neck. Take a deep inhalation in this position, and as you exhale, nod your chin on your chest, roll down, running your mid-back, lower back, sliding your palms towards your knees, towards your feet as far as you're comfortable with. Hold for a deep inhalation, engaging your core and slowly rolling back up, building up your spine vertebrae by vertebrae into tall. Relax the shoulders again and then roll down again. Exhale. Keeping your abdominals engaged, slightly shift your weight forward and slowly roll back up again as you exhale. Reaching all the way up by the side over your head and relaxing down, rolling down. With this movement, we're going to reach forward, place the hands underneath your shoulders, walk forward, peel your heels away and slowly lower your knees down. Walk your hands further forward than your shoulders. Move your shoulders away from your ears, engage your core and do push up, lowering your elbows, pushing yourself back up. So that's going to be one variation of our push-up. Then walk back towards your feet, slowly rolling back up into standing, extending your arms, reaching all the way up, and then relaxing down. Bending forward again, reaching down, rolling forward, and walking towards the end of your mat, slowly lowering your knees. Walk a little bit further than you did before. Engage your core. Lower your hips in line of your spine and upper legs. And then do a gentle push-up, slowly lowering your weight. And push yourself back up all the way. Rolling up into standing. Reaching all the way up, lengthening your whole body, lowering your arms, rounding your back, sliding your hands down towards your feet, and then walking forward again. Keep your knees straight this time into our full push-up. Slowly lower and push yourself back up, and then walk your hands backwards. And then choose the level you're happy with for our last one. Relax the shoulders, reach your arms up towards your ceiling, slowly lower down, relax, bend forward, and then walk forward. So do either version of a push-up. We went through either the straight, full, half, or box shape. Then you're going to lower your knees down and up in all fours. Arch and curl your back. Just to find the core engaged and the lumbar spine into neutral. Hold that position. Lengthen your spine. Keep your back parallel to the floor. And then slide your right leg backwards, left hand forward, and center. Other way around, and center. Reach and lengthen away, and center. Left leg, right arm, floating away from each other, about hip and shoulders height. keeping your core engaged and the center of your core switched on. We're gonna have one more, finishing with the left leg, right arm combination. And then we're gonna hold and repeat the same movement. Right leg, left arm, hold that position, get your balance, and then curl. Move your elbow and knee underneath your chest. Reach forward and backwards. And then second time, you're going to move your elbow and knee towards the side, opposite way around. Reaching forward and backwards again. And curl underneath your chest. Reach and lengthen. And pull and crunch sideways. Reach and lengthen. Curl. And crunch. We're going to have one more. Curl. And crunch. Reaching and lengthening. Relaxing down. Tuck your toes under. Engage your core and push yourself up into V position, downward facing dog. Peel your left heel away, bend your knees slightly, emphasize the stretch at the back of your leg on your right, and then lift your right heel, lower your left. Marching one and the other side, lowering your heel, extending the knee, enjoying that stretch at the back of your leg. Extending your back, pushing your tailbone up towards the ceiling. Lower your right and then lower your left heel. Try to extend both knees. Then raise both heels up and then lower your knees down slowly on the ground. Relax the shoulders away from your ears. If you need to, adjust the position of your hands slightly further forward than your shoulders. Brilliant. So let's practice the same movement other way around. So we're going to extend the left leg and the right arm forward and backwards. Curl underneath, rounding your back, reaching and lengthening forward and backwards. And then crunch sideways. Reach and lengthen. And curl. And then crunch sideways. 2 more. Crunch. Try to keep your balance. Try to keep your body centered. 1 more. Sideways. Reaching forward and backwards, and then relaxing your feet. Crossing your ankles over each other, slowly roll over, and then sit in the middle of your mat, slightly shuffling forward. Brilliant. Keep your feet on the ground, parallel to each other. Thighs also. Grab your knees above or maybe underneath. Engage your core and slowly round your back down towards the ground and then forward. Exhale and inhale. Rolling off from your sitting bones and into tall, sitting on your sitting bones and slightly back into a C-shaped curve of your spine. Hold that position and then pull your left elbow back and then forward. Right elbow back, opening your chest towards the right side and then forward. Left again. And your right. You can even extend your arm, lengthening the lever. That makes it a little bit more challenging for our abdominals. Reach both arms up and relax down. Reach and lengthen backwards, little twist. over your head. And then right side, one more each side. Engaging your core, activating even your pelvic floor muscles, reaching all the way up. And then relax your arms side to side, placing your palms behind your pelvis. Gently tilt your knees towards the left and then towards the right side, looking over the opposite shoulder, twisting your whole spine, one and the other way around. Relax in the middle, open up your chest as you twist, ease and release, and then try to push yourself up and away from the ground. You're going to have one more each side. And then move back to the center, tilting your knees towards the front. And then shifting your weight into a W sitting position, facing towards the long edge of your mat. Open your arms side to side. Lift your left one above your head, reaching over, slightly bending your back towards the side. Take a deep inhalation and a long exhalation, relax down. Shoulders backwards and downwards. Same on the right side, reaching over your head towards the left. Lengthen your side and relax down. One more each side. Reaching and lengthening. Try to keep your pelvis on the ground. Clean both hips on the mat. And relax down. Extend both legs towards the front. Keeping your knees straight, flexing your feet, lean forward. Slide your hands down over your shin towards your ankles, keeping your back fairly straight. And then if you're happy with that, you can roll forward, bend forward. Take a deep breath in this position, relax your feet, even relax your knees slightly. And then slowly roll back up, building up your spine vertebrae by vertebrae into tall. So let's roll to the other side, bending your knees, pointing them towards the left. Relax the shoulders and then reach over your head with your right. And back to the center. Left. Reaching and lengthening, and center. Relax the shoulders. Do it one more time each side. Hold for a deep inhalation and relax down. And try one more time over your head and then relax all the way down. Brilliant. You can extend both knees or perhaps crossing them, whatever is more comfortable for you. Perhaps you can sit a little bit higher in a pillow or a block to improve your position. Take a deep inhalation, reach both arms above your head, relax your palms in front of your chest, interlace your fingers, press your palms forward, round your back into a C-shaped curl. Reaching all the way up, relaxing the shoulders and relaxing your arms down in front of your chest. Brilliant. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed these exercises. Please let me know how it went for you in a comment section below. Please also like and share this video. Consider subscribing for more videos like this. Don't forget, we have our full Pilates classes. October series is coming soon, so you can visit our website www.coreandbalance.com. See you later. Bye.